So I told you in one of my previous videos that, put the shades on because that's much better. My previous videos that June 22nd or May 22nd was going to be one of the shows that I wanted to do. So, little bonus footage for you. Let's go check out some of the stuff. Ah, yes, nothing like the sound of a little locker on gravel.
That's the car, right?
Yeah, it is. Nice little Ranger with a V8. I was digging this thing. But here's what I wanted to show. Kind of a little Ford and an old Oldsmobile. But check that out. Like, this thing is just sharp. My inner 11-year-old is screaming. But, I mean, he's got the wheels. I mean, the period correct wheels. Got the Mr. T. He's got a bobblehead in there, too. But look, the period, he's just got it correct. This thing is done proper. That's down to the AK-47. It's just neat. The camo jacket. I think it's just cool. So one of the other trucks I was thinking when it pulled in, that 93. I talked to the guy a little bit. Said he bought it like that, and this is all original paint. Beautiful, immaculate truck. Nice little Chevelle, nice Nova. Motorcycle with a sidecar, and there was a dog. The dog is the passenger. Really? I'll make you YouTube famous.
I'm already TikTok famous. What's up?
There you go.
Add my TikTok, Hatcher98.
All right, there you go. Don't do that. this one, I've seen him in a few local stuff. He's got, yeah, he's got quite the system going on. Hey, you made it! That's a 74 Roadrunner. He's another cool guy. We met accidentally at a local store. He had his car, I had my truck. That's such a neat car. But yeah, as I was saying, we met through my club and the Orchlands. We ran into each other. That's a sweet car, though. Continue on down the road. You got that new Corvette. We were just having a discussion about him. I don't know that I care for him since they went mid-engine. I'm not a Corvette guy to begin with, but since they went mid-engines, I really don't like them. But that I like. The Hearst Oldsmobile. 71, 72. Keep on down the road. Pavement princesses. I'm curious if that has the 6-cylinder in it or the 4-cylinder. I'm a fan of these cars, but they have to be the 280 this 10. Oh yeah, it's got the 6. My secret dream build would be to do one of those with Weber side drafts. That would be pretty neat. This guy stops into work all the time. I think he owns a body shop. And he's always in. That's Patrick Murphy's. Nope. That's Patrick Murphy's truck. He's the one that's putting on the event. He just painted that. I want to say within the last 10 days. It's got a pearl to it. It's a pretty cool truck. It's a nice build. Got the Camaro, the Silverado that's lowered. I like that Ford F100 though too. That's a pretty sharp looking truck. Mustang, another 442. Wonder if it's got. Nah, I was wondering if it had the lightning rods to it. Couple old square bodies, nice old Ford. This guy, he comes into where I work all the time too. His name is Donnie. And I've helped him go broke. He's always buying stuff off of me, parts, whatnot. But yes, that thing does boast a big 440. Look at that. Yeah. He actually told me we just made a deal. He was gonna let me drive that. And I was gonna let him drive Old Betty. That's my brother-in-law's truck. That's Gypsy. She's a Jeep Wrangler. That's one of his friends back there who just made his own parking spot, as Jeep people do Jeep stuff. There we go. Spent hours on it this morning. Oh, that's right. Updates. I haven't given you one. Um, Betty got some eyeshadow. I put on some headlight covers, and I managed to find them for $50. I got my letters. That's the story. You all know the story. You're all why. Why show you the story if you already know the story? But yeah, I got my letters finally. I was so over the moon and back. A couple of my portrait photos that are doubling as well. I don't know if anybody follows the page on Facebook page, Resurrecting Betty. But yeah, I got a couple of portrait photos that also double as sun shields, because I'm smart. But yeah, I forgot that I haven't updated you guys. I'm hoping to have this one up after I do. What's the next one I had going on? Oh, the fuel pump. So if you see this before the fuel pump episode, you'll notice that those aren't there. I did that after I did the fuel pump. But yeah, she's all polished up and nice. We got the Van rocking tent. That's the brother-in-law. For those of you who haven't met people in my family, you know Mrs. Van from episode 2. That's my sister-in-law Amy, and that's Mackenzie. And that's Jordan. That's the Jeep guy who made his own parking spot that I told you about earlier. But that's the pretty much the show, guys. If anything else cool rolls in, I'll probably throw it up at the end of the video. But thanks for watching. Thanks for checking it out as always. Um, the next big one is the Mopar National event, which I'm kind of excited about. But that's going to do it. I'll catch you all later. Just a couple things before I go. I want to thank all the men and women out there for their service to our country. Thank you all veterans for your service to the country as well. I hope everybody remembers what Memorial Day is all about and have a nice, safe, and fun weekend. Also, too, I wanted to give a quick shout out to Tin Grill Dodges on Facebook for Vote and Betty Truck of the Month for May. They did this. Which is pretty awesome. So I appreciate that very much. So shout out to Tin Grill Dodges. Again, the servicemen and women and our veterans. Freedom isn't free. Thank our vets. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Hit the bell. Get notifications when videos pop up when I get the chance. And thanks as always for watching.